Welcome to the Kemp's BL''ONE. This is where y'all gonna go when you park. You will park in the back. We do keep our trucks here, our boat, and our camper. It's the back carport. Got a grill. Table. And a fire pit. I know some of y'all has been asking about this question, but asking if we have a hot tub. Somewhere it's saying on VRBO or Airbnb that we have a hot tub. We do not have a hot tub. Just wanted to let y'all know that. This is the back door where y'all will enter the house. This is the laundry room. If people leave stuff, sometimes we'll leave our stuff here. But y'all are welcome to use it. Have the washer and the dryer. Place to hang garments if needed. This is our kitchen. This is our fridge. We keep condiments in there for anybody that needs to use them. And past guests that has stayed here has left condiments. So we leave our condiments out for people to use if they need it. Here's our dishes right there. Our microwave. More pans. Air fryer, utensils. Knives, toaster, can opener, more utensils in the drawer, dish soap, hand soap, keep some cleaning stuff down here if needed, coffee pot, blender, K-cup, cream, sugar, cups and glasses, coffee, hot cocoa, wine glasses if needed. And this closet is private. Have a computer. Have our wall, Kemp wall up. Computer, y'all are welcome to get on. Use guests for your sign in. The internet. Yes. Our sign in booklet. Welcome to the Kemps. Notes. Box to leave them in. Have a air humidifier. Welcome notes. Welcome pen. You are welcome to keep one pen. Candles in case the lights go out or the power gets bad. Batman. 65-inch color TV, smart Roku. Welcome. This is your living room. Now we'll step out here onto the porch. Where you can hear the well going. And a dinner bell. Okay. Now we're going into the hallway. You will find some games, Relative Insanity, Magic Eye 2, Battleship, Family Feud, Card Chart, Cards, and Rock Trivia. And we have a Nest thermostat. And some pictures. And a mirror. Ain't I pretty today? We'll have this closet where you will find extra covers, extra comforts, and a fan. We'll have our deer head, our dad's caps. I haven't hung that picture up, but it will be hung. Have our books, another deer, and the covers. It's our dad holding the fish. And our mom did some of these drawings in here. This is the bathroom where you freshen up. Got a hair dryer, pictures. Toilet tissue, trash can, side table. Have some you cleaning stuff in here if you need it, hand soap and stuff. And first aid kit. And come back out here in the hallway, go in this room, and we have a lamp if y'all want to plug it in. A mirror. This is right off the hallway. Pictures. Shell lamp, cute. And we also keep a cot in here for use. If there's 7 people, have a fan also in here, and extra linens. Thank y'all for watching Kemp's BL''ONE at Nani's Adventure on YouTube. Come check us out. Nani Poppy's Great Adventures 0373 on YouTube. Check us out on Facebook, Eli's Journey. You can find that on Facebook. And as always, thank y'all for tuning in with Nani's Adventure at TikTok. So y'all don't forget to come check us out on YouTube. That's Nani Poppy's Great Adventure 0373. And as always, thank y'all again for watching Nani's Adventure on TikTok.